Every day, millions of Americans grab a quick meal at McDonald's. But behind those golden all-factory word, we go inside the factories that supply the world's biggest fast food chain. It all starts with potatoes, specifically russet Burbank potatoes grown by American farmers. These aren't just any potatoes. They're specially selected for their shape, size, and perfect fry texture. First stop, the wash house. High-pressure water jets blast away every trace of dirt. The potatoes tumble through multiple cleaning stages until they're absolutely spotless. Nothing but clean spuds move forward. Next comes steam peeling. For just a few seconds, potatoes are blasted with high-pressure steam. The skills loosen and peel away, leaving perfectly smooth potatoes ready for cutting. Now technology takes over. High-speed cameras inspect every single potato. Any with bruises or defects are instantly removed by precise air jets. Only the best potatoes make the cut. Potatoes now enter high-speed cutters. In less than a second, each potato becomes dozens of perfect fry-shaped pieces. Water carries them forward at incredible speeds, thousands of fries every minute. The raw fries now pass through hot water blanch tanks. This partially cooks them and removes natural sugars, ensuring every fry has that perfect golden color when cooked at the restaurant. After blanching, fries travel through drying tunnels. Warm air removes surface moisture. This is critical for achieving that crispy outside and fluffy inside that McDonald's is famous for. Now comes the first fry. In vegetable oil, the fries cook briefly until lightly golden. They're not fully cooked yet, just enough to set the structure and lock in that signature taste. Immediately after frying, fries enter a freezing tunnel at 40 degrees below zero. Within minutes, they're frozen solid, locking in freshness until they reach your local McDonald's. Frozen fries now flow into packaging machines. Each bag is precisely weighed. Nothing leaves without meeting exact specifications. Boxes are sealed, labeled, and ready for shipment. Meanwhile, in another part of the facility, chicken nuggets take shape. Only premium chicken breast meat is used, inspected by both company quality teams and USDA officials at every step. Fresh chicken breast is ground and mixed with a special blend of seasonings. The recipe is secret, but what we can tell you is there are no fillers, just real chicken and spices. The mixture now enters forming machines that press it into those four iconic shapes you know: the boot, the ball, the bell, and the bone. Every nugget looks exactly the same. Next, nuggets pass through a battering line. First a light flour coating, then a seasoned liquid batter. This creates that crispy exterior when fried at the restaurant. After batter comes breading. In large tumblers, nuggets are coated with a seasoned breading mixture. The coating sticks evenly, creating that signature crunch McDonald's fans love. Like the fries, nuggets are par-fried, partially cooked in vegetable oil. This sets the coating and locks in flavor while keeping the inside moist and tender. Then into the freezer they go. Individual quick freezing technology freezes each nugget separately in minutes, preventing them from sticking together and preserving quality. Nuggets are now weighed, bagged, and boxed automatically. Each package contains exactly the right amount. Nothing leaves this facility unless it meets McDonald's strict standards. Now let's look at the burgers. McDonald's uses 100% pure beef. No fillers, no additives, just fresh frozen beef patties made from American-raised cattle. The beef is ground twice to achieve the perfect texture. Temperature is carefully controlled throughout. Cold enough for safety, but not frozen solid. Forming machines press the ground beef into perfect patties. Quarter pounders, regular burgers, each size has its own mold. Every patty is identical to ensure consistent cooking. Quality control is constant. Lasers measure patty thickness while workers visually inspect. Any patty that doesn't meet standards is immediately removed from the line. Patties are rapidly frozen in spiral freezers. Within minutes, they're solid and ready for packaging. Quick freezing locks in freshness and flavor. Finally, patties are stacked, bagged, and boxed. Each box is labeled with production date and destination. Soon, they'll be on trucks heading to McDonald's restaurants across America. Of course, a burger needs a bun. At dedicated bakeries, McDonald's buns are made fresh daily. Flour, water, yeast, and a touch of sugar create that slightly sweet taste. And giant mixers combine flour, water, yeast, and sugar. The dough is mixed until perfectly elastic, not too tough, not too soft. This consistency is what makes McDonald's buns unique. Now the dough is divided into individual portions. Each piece is exactly the same weight, no guesswork here. Then they're rounded into perfect balls ready for proofing.
Dough balls now rest in a warm, humid proofing room. Over the next hour, they'll double in size as the yeast works its magic. Patience is essential for perfect buns.
Into the ovens they go. At precisely controlled temperatures, the buns bake until golden brown. Steam injection gives them that glossy top that makes McDonald's buns so recognizable. Fresh from the oven, buns must cool completely before packaging. They travel through cooling towers where air circulates gently, bringing them down to room temperature. Now buns are sliced perfectly down the middle, not too deep, not too shallow. Then they're bagged, sealed, and dated. Freshness guaranteed. All these products now head to McDonald's distribution centers. These massive warehouses keep everything frozen or fresh until restaurants need them. Refrigerated trucks now load up for delivery. Every trailer maintains precise temperatures. Too warm and food spoils. Too cold and quality suffers. Perfect conditions guaranteed. Across America, these trucks travel day and night, delivering to over 13,000 McDonald's restaurants from coast to coast. It's a logistics operation of incredible scale. At your local McDonald's, the delivery arrives. Crew members check everything against their order.
Buns look good. Patties are all here.
Fresh buns, frozen patties, and of course, those famous fries. In the restaurant kitchen, everything is organized for speed. Freezers hold patties and nuggets. Buns are stored at room temperature. Fries wait in the freezer, ready for their final cook. Now the magic happens. Frozen fries hit the hot oil for exactly 3 minutes and 15 seconds. They emerge perfectly golden, are salted immediately, and served hot. On the grill, frozen patties sizzle. They're cooked exactly as ordered, some medium, some well done. Cheese goes on during the last seconds, melting perfectly by serving time. Nuggets take their final bath in hot oil. In just a few minutes, they're golden and crispy. Dipping sauces wait nearby. Barbecue, ranch, honey mustard, and sweet and sour. Assembly is a team sport. One person toasts buns, another adds sauce and veggies. The patty goes on, the top bun closes, and it's wrapped in seconds. Minutes after ordering, your food is ready. Hot fries, fresh burgers, crispy nuggets, all made possible by an incredible supply chain and thousands of dedicated workers.
From kids' birthday parties to morning coffee stops, McDonald's is part of American life. Every day, 30 million Americans choose those golden arches.
Behind every meal is a network of American farmers and factory workers. Potato growers in Idaho, cattle ranchers in Texas, bakers across the Midwest, all working together. French fry lengths are spot on.
Microscope confirms texture uniformity.
Nugget crispiness data is excellent.
Perfect. Log it and recheck tomorrow.
On it.
In innovation kitchens, chefs experiment with new products.
Plant-based options, new flavors, breakfast innovations, the menu keeps evolving. This batch has a great texture.
Agreed. Let's test it.
Sustainability matters too. Factories are adding solar panels, recycling water, and reducing waste, because feeding America shouldn't cost the earth. At every step, there are people. Farmers who wake before dawn, factory workers on overnight shifts, restaurant crews during lunch rush. Americans feeding Americans. From the Egg McMuffin at breakfast to the late-night McFlurry, McDonald's has been part of American life for over 60 years, and it all starts in these factories. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on All Factory Word, where American food manufacturing comes to life.